So in this video we are going to implement not being able to actually eat the king. I tried this, but I guess we should place that condition here so it works. The thing is that now that this is working, we can actually try to display something when we enter a checkmate state. So, for example, we can check the checkmate after rendering the board. Here, for example, we can check if it's checkmate, then we can actually do something. For example, we can place we can create a container here, the container, overlay container, and then put one player. Overlay container, then we can place a text here that is player 1, and then text alignment, text alignment, top center or center. Then let's plate it here so we can see it. Then center and state, for example, or center and this scene container. In the case this is not the state, and then we want to change the text size to be much bigger. So something like this, and we can actually put a drop shadow filter and change the color. This color, so text alignment. Something like this, and then we should change the current player to null, for example. Let's use null for dropping to stop allowing the player to continue playing. So now we have to get the opposite here. So now here, player back. And now let's adjust the alpha. In the case the current player is null, let's change. I think something weird happened. So here I perform the movement, Okay, so probably I should check before rendering, because I'm going to change the current player here. So now it works. And after that, we can, for example, add for example, to the scene container, we can add on click, and then reset this. Also, let's add this to a cancelable so we can close it. Add cancelable. This is not returning. No, I should do something like mouse and click, because this is the one that is returning a cancelable. So this is like triggering this event once. Also, I can do this and click once, but maybe click once. This is all would also work. So in this case, we are going to reset set default board, and this we are going to create the default board. So I set the default board. So after clicking here, we are going to reset this, and we are going to remove children from the overlay. Like this. Now we have a huge event here, and now we can reset this. We should also prevent from dragging in the case there is no possible movement, but yeah, this is another thing. So let me restart this. This is the default board, the almost finished board. So this is what I wanted to try, and actually now this is not working. Why? Click. So it is not triggering twice. Overlay. Scene container, mouse. This on click is not working. So let's move this here. This is not working, but it used to work. It has worked at some point. Was with this. Set default board. Set the scenario. This is setting the board. This is being called. I don't know. Let's maybe create. I don't know. Maybe because I cannot put this. Maybe I have to use the container root. Yeah, probably the problem with this is that without reloading it doesn't work, because that object is not recreated, so it gets confused. So let me retry this. No, this is not working now. Container root. Probably I should have to recreate this, because I think it messed up, to restart it. So let's try again. Now it's working. Now it's not working. So I think let me create then solid rect with height full forward view. So let's use a transparent color, even if it's not used, but full bold, and let's put the click event there. And it's still not working. Maybe cancelling this is somehow not supported or something. Let's do something that is, instead of cancelling this event, that I will investigate why this is not working, but we can handle something like this. We can create a signal here on full screen click. And then we can add the on-click event, and then dispatch the signal. When we perform the click, and then instead of doing other things, we can just do a once to this signal. Or actually we can do something else, something even simpler, that is using this overlay to create a huge solid rect size bold. Not sure. Solid rect transparent, and then doing an on click. This cancelable is not required anymore. because we are going to remove the children of the overlay here, so this is going to be recreated. Let's see. Now it's working. Now it's working. So yeah, I think this is it. I think we have a working chess already. Maybe I missed something, but it should be really minor. The other thing we could do is to have a main menu scene or something like that. So let's create that scene. So change scene container, and click scene container, change to my scene. So the main menu, we are going to start with the main menu, and then let me change it to the, not to the main scene, but to the main menu scene. Probably I messed up something, because I did a recursive thing there. Let me restart. So now we have this main menu. We can actually go to the main menu after clicking. So here, instead of setting the default board, we can change the scene container to the main menu scene. And well, we can move these as long as it's required to the center of the screen. We are using this size as the virtual size. But something like this. Then we can adjust the size. We can create a UI list, vertical list, vertical stack. I want to check what is here. I don't know why this is adjust size to false. So we can, for example, exit the game, and we can make it game window close. So I think this is it. Let's start a default board here when starting this scene, so we're gonna start from scratch, and then maybe we can add here a button to exit and go back to the exit and maybe undo, but we are not going to implement it in this video. But the exit can go to the main menu, so for example, maybe back, menu, start menu, or quit game, and the undo is not going to implement it in this video. Maybe we can implement it later in another video. So yeah, I think this is it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and you can now you know how to create a chess game and hopefully other kind of games by checking this video. So thank you and see you.